So as you just heard the landlady state, there is no illegal gambling den or a rooster operation back here, is there? Let's take a look for ourselves. Yep, looks like that's still going on, gambling right there. So, and over here, let's just take a look. This is right after, seconds after she looked. There's a rooster, there's 2 roosters, there's 3 roosters, there's 4 roosters. 1, 2, 3. Number 4, number 5. Thanks for this installation. Tune in again for my next. Thank you.